Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Audi RS3 versus the Toyota Yaris GR. We'll dive into what makes each of these hot hatches stand out, from their engine power to their driving dynamics. Get ready to explore the key differences and similarities, helping you decide which performance car might be the better fit for your driving style and preferences. Let's get started. The Audi RS3 is known for its distinctive 2.5-liter turbocharged 5-cylinder engine, producing over 400 horsepower. This power is sent through its quattro all-wheel drive system, offering incredible traction and acceleration. In contrast, the Toyota Yaris GR features a smaller, yet potent, 1.6-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder engine, delivering around 260 horsepower. Its GR4 all-wheel drive system is engineered for rally-inspired agility and control. When it comes to driving dynamics, the RS3 offers a blend of high performance and premium comfort, making it suitable for daily driving and track days. Its interior is more upscale, with advanced technology. The Yaris GR, however, focuses on a pure, visceral driving experience, feeling incredibly connected to the road. While less luxurious, its compact dimensions and lightweight design make it exceptionally agile and fun to drive. Considering value, the Audi RS3 generally comes with a higher price tag, reflecting its premium features and powerful engine. The Toyota Yaris GR, on the other hand, delivers an incredible performance-to-price ratio, making it a fantastic option for enthusiasts seeking pure driving thrills without the luxury premium. Ultimately, your decision hinges on whether you prioritize refined power and comfort or a more raw, track-focused experience. Also, check the description for a link to some great meal prep containers and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.